Hello everyone, this is cs50w and this is the project1 books, and this is my code. I will run it now. Flask run and go to the browser, go to localhost, and I can register for an account. I will use this email, that's alright. This will change if the email is invalid. yahoo.com, that should be okay. And I will create an account is Alex. So this is Alex1. This already exists, so Alex3. Yeah, it's good to go. And the password, it's not much yet. Alright, it's matched. I register. I got to use that same account. Yeah. And this is the index page. I have a search bar. I can search by ISBN, the title of the book, or by the author, or by year. Let's do year, like 1970. Pretty good. Let's choose author, Henry. Let's see. Pretty good. So I have an indicator. If the search was successfully, this will be green, or it will not be green, it will be red when the search failed. When it's searching, it will appear as a circle running around. Let's choose this book. So in the book page, as you can see that there's a title page, the ISBN, a picture, the author name, the publisher, and the published year, and a short description of the book. There's also average rating and some statistics from the Goodreads reviews, from Goodreads API, and you can add a comment here and rate the book and submit the review. And there's also an additional field for Goodreads reviews, so you can see how other people think about this book. And let's submit a review now. I will go to Lorem and copy a text for a demonstration. And I would rate it for 4 stars. Submit. Okay, so now if I go to search that same book, Henry, I should be able to see the review of mine. Yeah, I just rate this 4 stars, and this is my short reviews. Alright, another feature is the API route allow other people to access my website to find information about a book. For example, I would use this ISBN number for this API search. And as you can see here, it will return a JSON object which contain an author name, the average score, the ISBN, the review count, the title, the year. So yeah, that's pretty much the functionalities of this particular web app. Thank you for listening. And there's also a function that allow people to change password, but I will not mention it.